Hi, it's Isabel. Does anyone want to sign up to help the special animals over there? Or it's either someone adopts them or we have to give them to the shelter or free them in the wild. So please adopt a pet. Please adopt one.
Oh, they sound so cute and they look so cute. I'll adopt one. I really think I should adopt one. I'll sign up. Pen, you're supposed to write it with your hand. Oh, okay. There. So now you get to pick a pet that you want to take home. Okay. And you can't name it because they already have names, but you can rename it if you want. Yeah, I'll rename it. Or if I like the name it already has, I'll get that. Okay. Do 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 do. Aw, she's so cute. I love her. But all the other pets are they're all adorable. I don't know what to say. I guess I'll decide if I want her or not. Sorry. Oh. Okay, so would anyone else like to sign up? Would anyone else like to sign up? Well, I don't really have any room for a pet, but I guess I could get a hamster or something. Okay, Julie, you want to get one? Get this hamster thing. I don't know what it is. I don't know if it's a guinea pig or something, but I think it's cute. Okay, Julie, you didn't sign your name, but I guess I will. Okay. Okay.
Mommy, I'm trying to do a fist down.
Oh, that's my friend. That's my friend, Gabby.
And I'm just doing Christopher's hair.
Yeah, my sister Jade. Yeah, that's Jade. So,
Okay.
So guess what we are going to be doing? Well, I guess we have to set these animals free. Sad. Wait, I'll adopt one. I'll put my name down. I'll do the one with the broken ear. Oh, you're so cute. Coochie coochie coo. Coochie coochie coo. Coochie coochie coo. You can sit up there, little puppy. Lay down. You're so cute, little puppy. I love you, little puppy. Okay. But I guess we have to set the rest of them free into the wild, unless anyone else wants to adopt them. Does anyone else want to adopt a pet? Anyone? Someone, please?
I will.
You will? Okay.
Hi. I will totally buy one. I would really love to buy this one.
Okay. That one's name is Spike.
Okay, I would love it. So, where at the side?
Right here.
Okay.
Just sign your name. I know it's a dance, but at least you get to save animals at this dance.
Okay, I put my last name too.
Okay.
Sorry about that. I'm just fixing my hair.
Okay. So, anyone else would like to buy a pet? Would
I
anyone
think I would too. Sorry, these two are my dolls.
Yeah,
my
those are my friend
shoe.
Gabby's.
Sorry about that. And
Ouch.
that's alright.
I always get bullied anyways, so it's not like anything's gonna be any
Alright,
different.
so I would love to buy this cute little biddle kitten. It's so adorable.
So I guess we're gonna have to set Cooper free into the wild. Sorry, Cooper.
Sorry.
No one's gonna buy you. Adopt.
Is anybody gonna buy
Go,
this
bitty bitty.
cute little puppy? We'll just wait like 5 minutes or something.
Yeah, I hope Cooper will get adopted. So I guess we're gonna have to not. I guess we're not gonna have to. So no one's gonna adopt her. I guess we'll set her free. Bye, Cooper. Come on, Cooper, let's go. And if you want to see what happens to Cooper, then subscribe. And, cause the animal adoption program is a series, and there's gonna be a series, a season, not season, a part 2. So yeah, that's it for this video, guys. Bye. Love ya.